Good morning, friends and family. Archangel Michael wants us to know that he can see that we are truthful and perceptive and that we have what it takes to succeed. There is a mystical force that's guiding us, and we must trust the wisdom. We are being shown the way, but it's time now to take things slowly. There are plenty of reasons for us to celebrate at this time, but please, people, stay focused. We are trustworthy and understanding, and some of us are even funny, but we needed a helping hand to claim our independence. We're finding the happiness we deserve, and we are starting on a new path in our lives. We've made these decisions for ourselves, and we're releasing ourselves of things that were holding us back. This is bringing us good luck, and we're learning from the past. We've walked away from things that we cannot do anything more about, and we're aligning ourselves with the divine. This is enabling us to move forward with determination and self control. Where we were feeling tied down and frustrated, we're now feeling excitement and joy and happiness back in our lives. We're dreaming our world back into being. This is justice for us, and it's going to bring us long term goodness that's stable. Um, we are being taken care of. There's a lot of shifts and changes happening within ourselves and in the world, but it's all going to be for the better. And our loved ones want us to know we just need to smile and notice the profound and healing difference it makes. I love you all. Have a wonderful day.